Hello and welcome to How to Plant Fruit Trees. The first step is to buy a tree. They're available at most garden centres. For this video I'm going to show you how to plant a Granny Smith apple tree. The young tree is about 6 feet tall and is already starting to shoot, which makes it an ideal time to start planting. The second step is to soak the roots in water. This plant is what's known as a bare rootstock, and the roots are wrapped in plastic, so remove the plastic first. Other plants could come in pots, and you can omit this step and they don't need soaking. So to recap, take the plastic off the roots and then leave the roots in water for a few hours to give them a good soak. Step 3. Decide on the location of the tree. You'll need to measure the distance from surrounding objects. Here I'm leaving a distance of 5 feet from the nearest plants and objects. The ideal position is a sunny sheltered site away from any frost pockets. Step 4. Untangle all the roots. The tree will grow much better with the roots all separate. Step 5. Dig a hole about twice the diameter of the roots. If your soil is particularly poor, then you may want to dig the hole about 1 metre wide. Step 6. Add some compost to the hole. This will get the tree off to a good start. Step 7. Plant the tree. Carefully place the roots in the hole and spread them out. Then backfill with soil and tread down to remove any air pockets. Step 8. Water in. Give the tree a thoroughly good soaking. This establishes the soil round the roots and makes them strong and healthy. Step 9. Support the tree with stakes. Fit 2 stakes at right angles and hammer them into the ground, being careful not to pierce the roots. The purpose of the stakes is to support the tree if we get high winds and prevent the roots pulling out the ground. But once the roots are established after the first year, I'll remove the stakes. Tie the tree loosely to the stakes. It's important not to tie too tightly, as it's important that the tree still has a little bit of movement. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and there are many more gardening videos on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe if you like them. Thank you and goodbye.